Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 24th August. Some of the important events happened on 24th August in history of India and the world which all of us must know. So let's look at those events happened on 24th August in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. Always say these lines in your heart and mind. Anything is possible for me. What I see with my heart, I will see with my eyes. It means if you really want to do something from your heart, you can do that thing with your determination and sincere effort. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which was the first ship of East India Company which reached India on this day in 1600? Answer: Hector. Sir William Hawkins was the commander who anchored the ship at Surat. Question number 2. Which Indian city was founded on this day in 1690 by Job Charnock? Answer: Calcutta. Nowadays, it is known as Kolkata, which is the capital of West Bengal. Question number 3. Which Indian revolutionary from Maharashtra born on this day in 1908 was an active member of Hindustan Socialistic Republic Association and had killed the British police Sanders? Answer: Shivram Rajguru. He, along with Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev, were hanged by the British on 23rd March 1931, for which 23rd March is celebrated as Shahid Divas. Question number 4. Which Indian social reformer died on this day in 1925, got retired as Vice Chancellor of Bombay University? Answer: Ramakrishna Gopal Bhandarkar. Question number 5. Who became the 4th President of India on this day in 1969? Answer: V.V. Giri. Question number 6. Who became the 5th President of India on this day in 1974? Answer: Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Question number 7. Which Indian politician born on this day in 1888 was the first Chief Minister of Bombay? Answer: Balasaheb Gangadhar Kher. At that time, Bombay was a state which later bifurcated into Gujarat and Maharashtra. Question number 8. Which is the second largest country in Europe after Russia, which became independent from Soviet Union on this day in 1991? Answer: Ukraine. Leonid Kravchuk was the first president of Ukraine. Question number 9. Which English actor and filmmaker died on this day in 2014 is well known for his film Gandhi, The Great Escape, The Sand Pebbles, Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, Miracle on 34th Street, etc.? Answer: Richard Attenborough. Question number 10. Which operating system developed by Microsoft was released on this day in 1995, which was successor to Windows 3.1x? Answer: Windows 95. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.